Centrotherm offers a wide array of kits containing everything you need to complete flue gas installations with InnoFlue UL1738 and ULCS636 listed polypropylene vent systems. InnoFlue kits come in 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch, and in each of the InnoFlue Single Wall, Flex, and Concentric product families. If you're installing a high-efficiency condensing furnace, water heater, or boiler, use any of the Centrotherm InnoFlue kits to complete the venting application with parts from a single box. Utilize existing B-vents, masonry chimneys, or gypsum chases and run InnoFlue Flex liner without creating additional penetrations. Select a chimney or B-vent kit so the box comes with the termination option you prefer for the job. If you're doing a simple up and out, single wall kits come with vents, elbows, and all the accessories necessary for short runs penetrating through the wall. InnoFlue kits are engineered to make venting safe and easy. Contact your local rep or get in touch with Centrotherm for more information and start venting safely.